With the dangerous cold, we want to get right back to meteorologist Ryan Argenti and that alert day forecast. And Ryan, I mean, it is just frigid outside right now.
Yeah, it's dangerous cold, as you can see on the bottom of your screen. That is what we're facing as we go into the next 12 hours, really, folks. So we still have that extreme cold warning that will expire at 10 o'clock in the morning for Sunday. But we'll still be leaving an impact period, though, for our Sunday, because it's still going to be remaining. It's still going to feel like the single digits, though, as we get into our Sunday afternoon. Still remaining windy as we get into our Sunday. Then for a Monday, it's calmer. Winds are calmer, but it's still cold out there as we get into the beginning of the work week. Cold weather alerts in terms of our extreme cold warning, that's still in effect till 10 a.m. You can see for the entire Susquehanna Valley, and it's just going to remain that way because we have these wind chills that are going to be getting into the sub-zero range overnight tonight. As you can see in our planner here, chills down to -5 to -15 degrees, still frigid, still gusty, but will be mostly clear overnight in terms of the sky condition. But you can see here's our gusts here, 15 to 25 miles per hour out of the northwest are going to be where those winds are going to be coming from. Could potentially gust about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Then for tomorrow morning, mostly sunny, still windy, chills down to -5 to -20, by the way. 6 to 10 degrees will be tomorrow morning's temperatures, and still got that northwesterly breeze between 10 and 20 miles per hour, gusting at 30 miles per hour. Then mostly sunny for the afternoon, gusty winds, afternoon chills be into the single digits, but that's still going to be feeling very cold. So we still have that impact period set for the afternoon, 16 to 20 degrees for our air temperatures. Now here's the almanac for the day today, 29 degrees. That was the high that we reached today, but look at what we're supposed to be for this time of the year, folks. 40 degrees is what we expect for this time, or for this time of the year in February. We're only at 29 degrees, and then in terms of earlier this morning, that was 9 degrees. We expect 23 degrees for average low temperatures, so very unseasonably cold air is overhead the valley, and had about 3/10 of an inch of some snowfall at Harrisburg International. Here's some of the wind gust reports, by the way. 55 miles per hour in Marion, Lititz 53 miles per hour, Shrewsbury 51 miles per hour, along with Harrisburg International Airport, and 50 miles per hour in Jonestown. And here's some of the coldest wind chills for today. This is reported from the National Weather Service, too. In York County, Shrewsbury, -16 degrees. That was, again, these are wind chills, not the air temperature. Elizabethville, -14 degrees. Chambersburg, -13, same as Jonestown, and Cashtown down to -11 degrees. And we're going to be seeing much of the same as we get into the next 12 hours, folks. So that's why we have that alert period for the next 12 hours getting into our Sunday morning. And then that impact period for the afternoon, still feeling like the single digits as we get to 12 noon. It's feeling like 0 degrees by 12 noon, and then feeling like 2 degrees by the time we get to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still looking at a bit of a gusty day with winds coming out of the north. Now, in terms of current conditions, 12 degrees in Harrisburg, 12 in Carlisle, 12 in York, 10 in Lancaster. Still have that northwesterly breeze, making it feel like the negatives. Look at this, -3 degrees it feels like in Harrisburg, -6 in Carlisle, feeling like -8 in Lancaster. Folks, it is very cold out there. And Storm Team Live Radar Network, sky conditions are not too bad. You can see mostly clear conditions for the overnight tonight, but still have the frigid and windy conditions through our day Sunday. But then skies will clear some more as we have high pressure that builds in from the south. You can see that moving over West Virginia into Virginia. Then high pressure in from our north. That helps us keep our skies clear for the most part, although we will start to see an increase in some cloud cover for our Monday evening. But here's some good news. I'm going to share some good news for some folks. The 8 to 14 day temperature outlook for valid February 15th through the 21st. Look at this, above average conditions in terms of temperatures. So that is some good news for those hoping for the milder weather, and you can see that's reflected in our 10-day forecast. Couple chances of some unsettled weather, especially for our Wednesday and Friday of this week, but it's those temperatures. Look at this, getting into the 30s, and looking ahead into the following week, we're looking at the upper 30s for Monday and Tuesday of the following week. McKenna.